Hi, welcome to RAMESHSOFT video tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about MySQL classes. So what are different types of MySQL classes are available in MySQL? Let's see one by one. Let me write MySQL classes. First one, distinct class. Second one, where class. Third one, from class. Fourth one, order by class. Fifth one, group by class. Sixth one, having class. Let's see one by one in detail what is the use of this MySQL clauses. Now, first one, let me explain about distinct class. So by using distinct class, we can avoid duplicate values. That is, MySQL distinct class is used to remove duplicates from the result set. So the distinct class can only used with the select statements. Now see the syntax of distinct class. Now let me write the syntax of it. Select distinct expression. This can be a column from tables, and even we can, if you want, we can write where condition as well. Now this is the syntax for distinct function. Now let me see here, let me show it how to use this function. Open MySQL command line, click on it. My password is root. Yes, let me increase the size, font size, properties, font, make it okay, yes. Now see here, so let me create one table. So before that, should choose the database, show databases. Okay, these are the different types of database we have. So I want to use one database is there. What is the database? Testing database. Click on it. Yes. Now, so I want to show which database I am using. For that, we have one function, select database. This is the database I am using it. Now, create one table. Create table. I'm writing table name as a test5. In that table name, I am maintaining ID of type integer, name of type varchar. This table is created. Let me show the structure of the table. Describe test5. Yes. After that, now let me insert the values into the table. Insert into table name and the values, inserting as a 1 in the RAMESHSOFT. Yes, one row is inserted. Let me insert one more. Yes, let me insert one more to RAMESHSOFT Hyderabad. Click on enter. Let me insert one more record, RAMESHSOFT Hyderabad SR Nagar. Yes. Now let me insert one more. masters in Java with Selenium with a practical approach. Now click on enter. Yes, one row is affected. Now select the table, select star from table name. What is my table name? Testify. Now these are the values that I have in my table. See here how many duplicate IDs I am having. See here 1. So here I am having duplicate values or not? Yes. Now I don't want duplicates. Now see here. Let me write it. Select distinct. What you want to select it? I want to select ID. Select ID from test5 table. See here. So here, am I getting duplicate values? See here, am I getting duplicate values? No, I am getting unique values because we are using what? Distinct function. Now, if I don't use distinct class, see here what happens? Select ID from test5. See here. So here I am getting duplicate IDs or not? Yes. So whenever we use distinct, so we don't get any duplicates. We'll get always unique values. Now see here, am I getting any duplicate value? No. So here I am getting what? All unique values because of this distinct keyword. That is, distinct always removes duplicates from the result set. So this is the use of distinct class. Next one, second function. See here, what is that second function? Where class. Now see here. So by using this where class, we can filter the results. Let me show with one example. See here. So MySQL where class is used to filter the results from a select, insert, update or from delete statements. Now see the syntax. So distinct class we can use only for select statement. When it comes to where class, we can use for select, update, insert and delete. Now let me write the syntax. So this is the way of using what? Where condition. This condition can be applicable for update, delete and insert and select. We can use for these 4 commands. See here, delete table name. Even here also we can write what? Where condition. Even for if you want to drop or delete the columns as well, we can use where function. That is, we can use where class for select command, insert command, update command, delete command. Now let me show you one example. See here how to use that. Select ID, name from test5. So here I am going to get what? All the data. Now I want to get it based on condition. I want to filter the values. So for that we are going to use for what? Where condition. Select ID, name from test5 where ID is equal to 1. Now see here, I am getting only the values that are having ID is equal to 1. So here I am filtering the values or not? Yes. So by using where class, we can filter the results from a select, insert, update or delete commands. So this is the use of where class. Now we'll see the next function is from class. Next one, third one is from class. So by using from class, we can get the data from tables. That is, MySQL from class is used to list the tables and we can also use for joins as well. Now see here, let me write the syntax. See here, see here, this is the use of what? From class. From, this can be small or capital, no issue. Now let me show it on one example how to use that from class. See here, select star from here I'm using what? From class. From which table? Test 5. So from class is used to retrieve the data from tables and to perform any like tables or views we can use for from class. That is, by using from class we can retrieve the data from tables or views. So this is the use of from class. Next one, ordered by class. Ordered by class. Now see here, so by using ordered by MySQL class we can sort the records in our result set. That is, the MySQL order by class is used to sort the records in your result set. See the syntax how to use order by class. Select expression from tables where condition order by expression. This can be a column or how you want to it, either ascending or descending. Now we'll see how exactly the use of this one. Now see here, let me execute one example. Select star from test 5 where id is equal to 1, order by name. How? Ascending. Click on enter. Now see here, whatever I'm getting 1 1 RAMESHSOFT. Let me insert different values so that we can differentiate. Insert into now. Now select star from test 5. Yes. Now sort the values either in ascending or descending. With what function? Select star from test 5 table where id is equal to 1, order by what is that? id ascending. Click on it. Now see here, I'm getting the values in ascending order or not? Yes. Now I want to go with now descending order. Now write what? DESC. Now click on enter. Now see here what's happening. So here I'm getting with what? Descending order. That is, here I'm using numbering, right? So instead of using this id, better to use what? Name. Now click on enter. Now see here, so I'm getting in ascending order. See here, I'm getting in ascending order or not, the names? Yes. Now let me use descending, DESC. Now see the result. Now see here, are you seeing the difference, right? This I'm getting, here I'm getting in what? Ascending order. Now here I'm getting what? In descending order. So this is the use of order by function. That is, by using order by function we can sort the results either in ascending order or descending order. Next function, group by class. So by using MySQL group by class, we can group the data across multiple records. That is, MySQL group by class is used in a select statement to collect the record, that is to collect the data across multiple records and group the results by one or more columns. Now let me write the syntax how to use that group by class. Group by class. Now see the syntax how to use group by class. Select expression 1 comma expression 2 etc. And if you want, even we can use aggregate functions as well. Expression as a column from tables where condition group by expression 1 comma expression 2 comma etc. So this is the way of using group by function. So already we know aggregate functions like sum, count, minimum, max, average in last video we saw, right? Now how to use this function, just observe here. Now see here, let me go with one example. Select id comma name from test 5 table. Now I'm writing, see here, group by something like I'm writing id. Click on enter. Now see here, I'm getting the values based on grouping or not. Yes. Okay, so this is the use of what? Group by class. And one more is there, having class. So the MySQL having class is used in combination with the group by class to restrict the groups of returned rows to only those the condition is true. Let me write the syntax how to use that having class. Having class. Now see here, let me write the syntax. Select expression 1 comma expression 2 etc. And if you want, we can use aggregate functions like minimum, maximum etc. Already we saw it in previous video. From table where condition group by expression 1 comma expression 2 etc. Now having condition. Now this is the syntax of what? Having class. Okay, so by using having class, that is the MySQL having class is used in combination with what? Group by class to restrict the groups of return rows to only those whose the condition is true. That means, now see here, let me go with one example so that we'll get the clarity. Now see here, select id comma name from test5 table group by I'm writing group by name or id, whatever it is, group by id having now condition id is equal to 1. Now see here, so here I'm restricting based on my condition or not? Yes. It means whenever I'm using having id is equal to 1, so in that group which is having id is equal to 1, that only I'm getting. See here, without using having id, just to use group by, see here what happens. just use it. See here, click on enter. See here, I'm getting it or not. In that I'm filtering again by using what? Having class, that is group by ID. Having ID is equal to what? Having ID is equal to, just let me write 2 here. So here in that group I'm going to get what? Only, that is having ID is equal to 2. So this is the use of having class. So these are the different MySQL classes that we are going to use regularly. Okay, and I hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.